In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error your credit card has been declined. Please check your payment information and billing address and try again. If you're trying to make a purchase and your card keeps getting declined, don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection, since weak or unstable internet can sometimes cause payment errors. Next, check if you are using a VPN or proxy connection. If you are, turn it off, because it can interfere with online payments and cause your card to be declined. Now, go to your device settings and find the section where your payment methods are stored. This could be in your account, wallet, or payment settings depending on your device or service. Once you open the payment settings, wait for your saved payment methods to load. If you already have a card added, remove the old payment method first. After that, re-add your debit or credit card again by carefully entering the correct card details, including number, expiry date, and billing information. Once you've updated your payment method, try making the purchase again. In most cases, this will fix the issue immediately. If your card is still being declined, double-check that your billing address matches your bank records exactly, and make sure your card is active, not expired, and has enough funds available. And that's it, your problem should now be fixed. Before you go, if you're interested in growing your financial knowledge and exploring long-term investment options, you can check out the link in description for the Ogutsa Precious Metal Gold IRA Guide, which explains how people diversify their savings using precious metals.